OK, let's get a check on the weekend weather now with Wendy, who's down by the river. Wendy, I daren't ask, how is it looking, especially for Sunday?
I've got a horrible job, I really have. But, you know, there could be 1 billion people across the world watching us this weekend, and they're going to see true Britain. The bunting, the flags, the pageantry and the weather. I've been in complete denial about it all this week, but it really does look like this extended bank holiday weekend is going to be cloudy, it's going to be often wet, and it is going to be quite cool as well. Now, we're rapidly losing all the brightness here at the moment, and actually there's a few spits of rain in the wind at the moment. Lots of cloud around, and that continues to thicken up as we go through this evening and overnight as well. And there will be patchy outbreaks of drizzle throughout tonight, with a bit of a breeze picking up from an easterly direction. I think quite a sort of claggy night. Temperatures falling to between 11 and 13 degrees Celsius. And so tomorrow we start on a bit of a damp note. There may be some drizzle in the air once again, but there will be a middle part of the day that will be a little bit drier, perhaps brighter, although often cloudy, and temperatures should struggle up to around 18 degrees Celsius. Towards the evening, though, well, that's when the rain will start to set in. It will fall pretty much all night. There may be some thunder. It will be heavy in places, and we start Sunday perhaps with about 20 millimetres of rain already fallen. So, for the Thames pageant, I think I'm hopeful that the rain will be starting to become lighter for when the royal party sets off at about 3 p.m. But there could be 1 or 2 heavy bursts as the flotilla moves along the River Thames. And by the time the final boats arrive at about 6 p.m. at Tower Bridge, well, it's likely still to be raining. An easterly wind blowing as well. And that temperature there, no joke, it may not get as warm as 10 or 11 degrees Celsius. So if you are heading down to the river, you're watching on a big screen, or if you're heading to a street party, wrap up warmly, get the wellies on, get the waterproofs on, and show them how it's done. Now, unfortunately, I think the rain will fall on and off throughout Monday as well, but I'm hopeful by the time we get to the evening it will be tailing off for the concert at Buckingham Palace, of course. And then that leaves us with the outlook for Tuesday, which should be a bit brighter, a bit drier, a bit warmer. Not ideal weather, but it never stopped London having a party. A bit of rain, did it?
No, absolutely not. Thank you very much, Wendy.